Welcome to the TiniFiber Fusion Splicer video.
Today we're going to demonstrate these key features. First, download the SignalFire 2 app located on Google Play or the Apple App Store. Then select Login and create an account. Then type in your login credentials and log in. With Bluetooth turned on, select Connect Device and select your Fiber Splicer ID, which is displayed on the unit's startup page.
Select Fiber Splicing Set, Splice Settings.
Switch from multi-mode to single mode. And the changes are instant. Then go to heating mode, switch from 40mm to 60mm,
To set up arc calibration, press running mode.
and select arc calibration. Now we'll demonstrate an arc calibration.
Fiber is moving. Fiber is arc calibration in process. Please wait. Arc calibration in process. Please wait. Arc calibration succeed. Please restart the machine.
Next, we'll demonstrate how to splice a fiber. And under Read Record, you can even see a history of your splice results.
Fiber is moving. Fiber is focusing. Fiber is splicing. Splicing succeed. Loss 0.01 dB.
Once the splice is complete, a record is made, and you can even export an Excel spreadsheet. And then we'll slide on our heat shrink sleeve.
Put our splice in the heater. And the process is complete. That's how you set up and use your new TiniFiber Bluetooth Fusion Splicer.